What is up, guys? My name is Michael. I am the one who created TradeSafe. And in this video, I'm going to go over why I created TradeSafe. Okay? Any trader, beginner or experienced, can agree with me on this fact. We have all been in moments of tilt. And what do I mean by moments of tilt, right? Moments of tilt mean there are moments that you are trading that you simply cannot stop trading. You physically cannot stop trading. So you end up blowing your account, you end up digging deep into whatever account you do have. And that is the worst thing. Or even worse, turning a winning day into a losing day, right? So we've all been there as traders. And something I struggled with the absolute most was revenge trading and over trading. I simply could not get a grip of it, right? Like it just, I even got to a point where I said, wow, I'm so proud of where I am technically. I'm so proud of where I am technically in the sense of being able to call a beautiful trade. I mean, we're talking about a 200 pip trade. More than not. But the problem was on my losers, I was getting back in out of just being mad, just trying to clap back, thinking that I was going to be able to turn the market around and it was just automatically going to go in my favor. So I said, I need to do something. We cannot do things alone in this world, right? There's a saying that says you can go far by yourself, but you can go the distance with assistance, right? With others, together, with help. You can get far alone, but you can get there faster in a group with help. So I thought, as a crutch, as something that assists you, as, for example, the angel on the shoulder, the friend, right? I've talked to friends after having like a trading session and they would remind me, hey, try this next time. Hey, try that next time. Just do this while you're trading, right? I thought, maybe I can create something that is going to be that friend while I'm trading, right? So like while I'm trading, something can be there. And now granted, it needs to come from the individual. The individual needs to be a trader who is saying, hey, I want to be this, I need to learn discipline, or I want that extra help, right? And they are going to do this, use the tool in a sense that they're going to use it every single day and make sure that they are, turning it on before the trading session and listening to it, right? So when it blocks the page and you can't see the candles, making sure to listen, making sure to, let's say, that's it, walk away. The alert has popped up. So this was my thing, having that angel on the shoulder to assist you to get up when it's time to walk away. Think about this, guys. And many of you would agree as well. Bring the top trader, put him in front of me right now, number one in the world, and I will ask him this question. In the days that you have gone 7 trades deep and you lose, if you would have stopped on the very second trade, would you not be in a better position financially? Bring the top trader in the world, I don't care who it is, number one. Sit him in front of me and ask him that question. And what is he going to answer? He's going to answer you yes. You would have been in a much better position just stopping at that second trade instead of continuing to lose up until that 7th trade. So again, this is a tool that it's really up to you. You can put up to 5 trades. I like to do 2 trades. After 2 trades, I go ahead and I input my stop loss on the second trade. If my stop gets hit, It completely wipes out all the candles. You cannot see the candles. It is the subliminal message. It is the alert to your brain. Get up, walk away. Granted, you can be a degenerate and you can go ahead and sit back down, turn it off, and keep trading. But this is for people who want to get a grip of the greed demon. Okay? This is for people who are actually struggling with overtrading and revenge trading. You understand? So, this is why I made it. Now, I want to give you guys a little bit of an insight of the back end of it, of why I decided to make it the way that it is, right? Develop it the way that it's developed. And number one, I know about psychology that subliminal messaging is super powerful. It's the reason why we act and do the things we do and behave. Everything is, there's so much subliminal messaging on a day-to-day basis that we see and we react on it, right? So the subliminal messaging here, it's a visual stimulant, right? It's a visual stimulant. It cuts you off. It's like the IV. It cuts your vision off from the candles, right? These candles that are just moving and it cuts it off, blanks the screen. You cannot see candles, right? So this was my idea behind why I went with this approach of like, okay, how am I going to handle this? Well, the only way is to cut the screen. And that's going to make you say, hey, you know what? Cool. Let me walk away until tomorrow. So that is why I did that. And let me see, what else? What else do you guys need to know about TradeSafe? Here's the other thing. I made it. I thought this is such a powerful tool. And guys, let me tell you this. So powerful of a tool, and listen carefully to this. So powerful of a tool that things that save you money get shadow banned on TikTok. So check this out. People are posting fraudulent stuff on TikTok all day long. Like you are more likely to lose money on TikTok on fraudulent things, right? And those things will get thousands and thousands of views. I post something about this telling you that it's going to save you money, and it gets shadow banned. It gets shadow banned. Like, basically they marked it like this is insinuating people to spend their money to not spend their, how was it that they worded it? Basically like any financial advice is not, and it's like, but people are doing this all day, every day. Like, but mine is literally telling you that this is going to save you money by not letting you overtrade and revenge trade. So a tool so powerful, guys. So basically back to the pricing, I was going to price it actually much higher. And I was talking to this influencer, I'm sure some of you guys have heard him, AB Trades. Me and him were having a conversation. He was supposed to actually rock with us. And I don't know what happened. He kind of just went silent, man. We had a super good banter, we had a super good kind of like dynamic as far as like what he thought and the ideas he was bringing to the table. And the dude just went silent, man. I don't know. So anyways, he made me think of the idea. So, but you know what? It doesn't matter if he didn't mess with us, because I'm gonna tell you this, shout out to him, because he was the reason that it made me realize like, yo, I need to get a grip of my overtrading. And he was the one that made me realize like, yo, really the only thing that we can control is how much we're giving back to the market, right? How much we're losing. So, revenge trading, you're losing a lot, right? So anyways, the case is that he was like, yo, why don't you make it cheaper to get it into more hands than not, right? So I was actually thinking about pricing this at $100, but he's like, yo, make it $19.99, man. And I was like, it's kind of a good idea. The more traders that have this, guys, I really wish I could make some sort of like scroll wheel that shows like ding, 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 just like all the money that this could be saving traders by simply reminding you to stop trading. Okay? So yeah, guys, that's that. This is why I created TradeSafe, an aid to you know, a trader, some sort of edge, right? Really, again, as I said, really the only edge that we have versus the market is how much we want to give back, how much we're willing to lose, right? At the end of the day, the perfect setup, the very perfect setup could present itself, and it doesn't have to work out with the probabilities of the market, right? So that's that. Now, this is a bonus. This is an Easter egg, right? I wrote a book on trading called The Trader Trap. It's about 70 pages. It's a really easy read. I love easy reads, guys. Let me show you like the type of books that I like to read. Like this stuff, right? That it's super kind of like, it's real basic stuff, and it's kind of like it's just super easy to read. So I figured kind of make something like a for dummies thing, you know, like a trading for dummies, where at the end of the day, I'm not a 20-year veteran, but I can tell you how to place a trade, a proper trade, okay? Have I had a lot of problems with over trading and then revenge trading? Sure, but that's my own problem, right? Like, trying to find the trade is not my problem, and being able to execute a beautiful trade, holding it, finding it, getting out of the position, that's all on point. So I made the book, and it was a very heavy focus on psychology. Why? Because it's paired with trade safe. It's paired with the fact that, again, you better get a grip of your psychology and how you relate to money and how you feel with numbers if you are going to get into trading. So that's that, guys. Let me know what you think. I'm really excited to see how this does and how it helps people. And I'm going to find a way of how to not make a forum and not make a Discord, but do something to kind of show, like constantly post people and how it saved them from the greed monster, right? So any questions you have, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.